Alright guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to replace your cat door or chicken coop door with an electric chicken coop door. First you gotta take off the old one. So this one is just 6 screws. We're going to take these off here, here, and here. Phillips screwdriver. So we take the 3 screws out. This comes right off. Inside there's 3 more screws. We're going to take these 3 out, or those 6 out. And now we have an open hole for our brand new door. Okay, so what we're going to do is, this door is bigger than a regular cat door. So what we're going to do is mark it with our marker and then cut it. And then it'll fit and we can install. Alright, so the marker is our mark. What we're going to cut, we're just going to cut up from there, up, over, and then down across right there. And then put in the new door. Okay, so we cut it out now. And we're just going to pull it off, out. Now the new door should fit. All we have to do is screw it on. Okay, 3 screws are in. Now we test it, make sure it's going to work. Perfect. All right, now that that's done, we get to go and hook up our wire and solar panel, and we're going to hook it up, run the wire up here, and then hook the solar panel out here, so then it's always getting sun. All right, so we're going to mount this up here because it's still the most sun. Right before the sun goes down, you still getting sun right here. So this is where we're going to mount. Okay, so you just mount it in, it just screws right into the back of it, and then this screws right back onto this. This is now mounted. We're going to screw it on to the back. Alright, that is now mounted. It has sun. I'm going to put this cord over here through this little crack. It's going to come down over here and run down to the... Alright, and now we have the cord connected all the way up to the solar panel. And now it also comes with a remote, so you can go and either open it by hand or go into the modes and change it to where as soon as it senses sunlight, 30 minutes later it'll open up, and then as soon as it realizes that it's nighttime, it closes for you so that your chickens can be safe. And it has a lock on it, so it doesn't go and you can't open it. So, job well done, and see you next time.